The wait is finally over, and Honda fans around the world have a big reason to get excited. The 2026 Honda Fury has officially been launched, and it's not just a refresh, it's a bold statement. Honda has taken one of its most iconic power cruisers and refined it to match modern expectations while keeping its raw, aggressive soul alive. Welcome to Smart Drive Hub HUB, where we break down the latest bikes, cars, and future machines in a way that's simple, honest, and exciting. And today, we're taking our first in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Honda Fury, its design, performance, features, and what truly makes this bike stand out in 2026. At first glance, the 2026 Honda Fury instantly grabs attention. This motorcycle still carries that long, low, stretched-out chopper-inspired stance that made the Fury legendary, but now it looks sharper, cleaner, and more premium than ever before. The extended front fork, the muscular fuel tank, and the low-slung seat create a silhouette that screams power and attitude. Honda has clearly focused on refining the details. The paint finish looks deeper and more aggressive, with new color options expected to attract both classic cruiser lovers and younger riders. Chrome accents are balanced perfectly with dark, stealthy elements, giving the Fury a modern meets muscle appearance. Moving to the front, the headlight design remains bold and minimal, but with improved illumination technology. The front wheel still dominates the look, making the bike feel long, planted, and intimidating on the road. This is not a bike that blends in. This is a bike that demands attention wherever it goes. Now let's talk about what really matters to Fury fans: the engine. The 2026 Honda Fury is powered by a massive 1,312cc V-twin engine, designed to deliver strong low-end torque and smooth cruising power. Honda didn't chase crazy top-end numbers here. Instead, they focused on delivering that deep, satisfying pull that cruiser riders love. Twist the throttle, and the Fury responds with authority. It's built for relaxed highway cruising, powerful roll-on acceleration, and effortless overtakes. Whether you're riding through city streets or stretching it out on open roads, the engine feels confident, controlled, and unmistakably Honda smooth. Honda has also worked on improving engine efficiency and heat management, making long rides more comfortable. The exhaust note is deep and muscular, not overly loud, but aggressive enough to remind you that this is a serious machine. When it comes to riding comfort, the 2026 Fury continues to offer a low seat height, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. The riding position is relaxed, with forward set foot pegs and wide handlebars that give you full control, while maintaining that laid-back cruiser feel. Suspension tuning has been refined for better stability and comfort, especially on uneven roads. Honda understands that Fury owners don't just ride for show, they ride to enjoy the journey. The improved suspension setup helps reduce fatigue and keeps the ride smooth even on longer trips. Braking is another area where Honda has made smart improvements. The braking system feels more responsive and confidence-inspiring, offering strong stopping power without being too aggressive. This makes the Fury safer and more controllable, especially for riders stepping into the big cruiser category. Now let's move into technology and features, where the 2026 model shows clear progress. While the Honda Fury stays true to its minimalist cruiser roots, Honda has subtly integrated modern tech where it actually matters. Expect improved instrumentation with better visibility, refined controls, and enhanced electrical reliability. Honda's build quality is clearly visible throughout the bike. From the switchgear to the frame finish, everything feels solid, premium, and built to last. This is a motorcycle designed to age gracefully, not just look good on launch day. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Honda Fury is its identity. In a world where many bikes are starting to look similar, the Fury refuses to follow trends. It doesn't try to be an adventure bike, a sport bike, or a tech-heavy machine. Instead, it proudly stays true to its power cruiser DNA. Long, low, loud in presence, and unapologetically bold. For riders who want a motorcycle that feels personal, that turns heads, and that delivers a strong emotional connection, the Fury still holds a special place. It's not about lap times or gadgets. It's about presence, feel, and attitude. So who is the 2026 Honda Fury really for? This bike is perfect for riders who want a unique cruiser, something different from the usual crowd, something that feels raw yet refined. It's for those who value design, torque, and road presence more than flashy screens and excessive electronics. In terms of pricing, Honda is expected to keep the Fury competitive within the premium cruiser segment. While it may not be the cheapest option, what you're paying for is Honda reliability, timeless design, and a proven V-twin platform. To sum it all up, the 2026 Honda Fury is not trying to reinvent itself, it's perfecting what it already does best. Bold design, strong V-twin performance, improved comfort, and Honda-level refinement make this one of the most exciting power cruisers to look forward to in 2026. If you're a fan of muscle cruisers, or if you've always admired the Fury from a distance, this new model might just be the perfect time to jump in. Let us know what you think about the 2026 Honda Fury. Would you ride it? Do you like the design direction Honda has taken? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And for more bike launches, first looks, and detailed breakdowns like this, stay connected with Smart Drive Hub, HUB. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because the future of motorcycles is just getting started.